Maui medical officials say additional testing shows some victims' remains have been counted twice, causing the number of people killed in the wildfires to be inaccurately reported. The new number of deaths is at least 97. That is down from 115. This comes after testing revealed multiple DNA samples were collected from some of the victims. The number of people still missing is also down from 41 to 31. Maui County's medical examiner says recovering remains has been difficult because the chaos during the blaze displaced many people.
People seeking shelter have gone into other people's homes. They're in different cars. They're in different places. They're in places they're not supposed to be.
Many wildfire survivors have been staying at hotels on the eastern part of the island that was not impacted by the fires. Government officials are trying to relocate them to more permanent housing as they continue calling for tourists to visit the island to stimulate the economy.
In fact, some parts of West Maui are scheduled to reopen to tourists on October 8th. That's a decision that's causing some backlash from residents who are still recovering. There's even been a petition to delay that date, and that's received more than 3,000 signatures in less than 24 hours. Many say it's too soon to welcome visitors and say the needs of the West Maui community should come first.
Once I heard October 8th, I was in shock. And it turned to anger because we making accommodations for tourism, but we cannot even make accommodations for displaced residents such as myself.
I think half are ready to go back to work and get back to some normalcy, but then we had a very overwhelming response with the petition that maybe people aren't, and right now we have a little more than 3,000 signatures on our petition that these people are not ready to open back up on October 8th.
Hawaii's Governor Josh Green says the decision to reopen was not taken lightly. Tourism experts say people visiting Maui should look for volunteer opportunities and spend their money at local businesses.